Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing facts and safety, record date, time, and precise location now. Once secured, preserve evidence and document who handled it, because chain of custody matters for later verification. Make sure to notify the immediate stakeholders, supervisor, safety officer, legal, or IT depending on the incident, within 1 hour so actions can be coordinated. You will use this foundation when drafting the formal incident report, so be precise, avoid assumptions, and capture verbatim statements where possible. You now convert notes into a clear, chronological narrative that answers what happened when, who did what, and why it stopped. Once done, insert exact timestamps and describe actions taken. Don't interpret motive, explain observable behavior. Make sure to list witnesses with contact details and short verbatim quotes to preserve context. Attach corroborating evidence, photos, system logs, screenshots, or tagged physical items, so reviewers can reconstruct the sequence without relying on memory alone. You finish by stating the likely root cause, the measurable impact, and concrete corrective actions with deadlines and owners so work can start immediately. Then route the report for required reviews, supervisor sign-off, legal, HR, safety, or IT, depending on jurisdiction and severity. Once approved, monitor remediation with status updates until verification proves closure. If progress stalls, escalate using the documented chain of command and reopen evidence review to ensure corrective measures are effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.